And you're one of them girls that ain't trying to find nobody. You just here for the party. If I'm wrong, then stop me. And you're one of them girls that ain't handing out your number. You like to make us want ya. You like to make us wonder if you're one of them girls. Hey everyone, Blaze plays guitar lessons, and yes, Blaze is my real name. Okay. I think sometimes people wonder because people ask me a lot. So anyway, thanks so much for tuning in. I'm going to teach you guys how to play One of Them Girls by Lee Brice. This is such a great song. Super easy to play. You're going to use 4 chords. I'm going to show you 2 different ways you can strum it, but it's really easy, so make sure you kind of stick around for a little bit longer in the video so you can see both ways to strum. You don't need a capo, and it's in standard tuning, so it's very easy. Most Lee Brice stuff, from what I've seen, is pretty easy to play. Actually, in fact, most just popular songs are. Same with most country songs and stuff. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Please hit like and subscribe and the notification bell so you'll get notified when I come out with new tutorials. I really, really do appreciate it. I don't know why it's so stupid. It means a lot to me when you guys hit like and subscribe and stuff. So anyway, thanks a lot. All right, let's just get into it. So the chords that you're going to use for this song, you're going to use E. All right, can you see that? All right, then you're going to use B. Now I'm just doing the power chord version, all right? And I've never had anyone say boo, but I'm just doing the power chord version. Okay, so I'm just barring, all right, from the A string down on the 2nd fret, and then I'm playing these. I'm not playing like that. All right, so just like this. Okay, then so that's B. All right, then you slide up to C sharp minor, which is just the same thing, but on the 4th and 6th frets as the B. All right, then you're gonna play A. All right. Those are the 4 chords that you need. Now I'm going to show you the strumming pattern and everything with it. So for the intro, you're going to do, and the intro and the verses, I would palm mute it. So you're going to put, because that's how it is when they play it. You're going to use this part of your hand. Okay, you're going to put as close as you can right down here, not on that, but like right in front of it, and then you're going to you're going to strum the bass notes. Okay, so for E, you're going to do, all right, you're going to do the A and D strings. Okay. And I'm doing the D as well. Oh, sorry, I'm doing A, D, and G. So it's just down, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. I did the wrong one. I went to E instead of A, but down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so you're just doing down, down, up, 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 down. Okay, so you're gonna do E, B, C sharp minor, and then A for the intro. And you're just gonna be doing that. Okay, that down, down, up, down. So you're gonna go E, B, C sharp minor, A, and then once, and then after that, that's when you're gonna start doing the lyrics. Okay, so you're gonna do, are you one of them girls? So you're gonna do A is where you're gonna say, are you one of them girls? Okay, so them girls is where you're gonna do E. Girls, peels off the Bud Light label. Okay, label is where you're gonna do B. Label, just might run a pool table. Okay, pool table is where you're gonna do C sharp minor. Table, roll your eyes if I call you angel. Angel is A, which is super easy to remember. Angel, are you one of them girls? Okay, them girls is where you're gonna do E. Girls, ask you to dance, you say. Okay, say is B. Say no, just to see how far okay, I'll is C sharp minor. I'll go. Your song comes on and your eyes close. Eyes is A, okay? Eyes close. That's when I know. Okay, no is E. No, you got your heart on lockdown. Lockdown is B. Lockdown. Got a wall, I gotta knock. Okay. Knock is C sharp minor. Knock down. Kinda wanna do the shot. Okay, shot is A. Shot now. So what you're gonna do is shot now, come on. Or you're just gonna do shot now, come on. All right, so you're just gonna basically, you don't have to do that single strum, and then but you are gonna at least stop it at, all right? And then you're just gonna let it go for a second, and you're gonna, you're one of them girls, okay? And then you're gonna do the same strumming pattern for the chorus, but you're just gonna do, it open, so you're not gonna palm mute it, okay? So you're gonna do, and you're one of them girls, okay? Girls is E. Girls that ain't trying to make nobody. Body is B. Nobody, you're just here for the party. Party is C sharp minor. Party, if I'm wrong then stop. Stop is A, okay? Stop me. Yeah, you're one of them girls. Okay, girls is E. Girls that ain't handing out your number. Okay, number is B. Number you like to make us want. Okay, won't is C sharp minor. Won't ya? You like to make us wonder. Okay, wonder is A. Wonder. Alright, then do that. Down, down, up. Wonder, are you one of them girls? Okay, then you're just going to do it like I did at the beginning of the video. You're going to go, wonder if you're one of them girls. You're going to do the same, so it's the same chord progression the whole time. Then you go right into the palm muting, okay? You're just going to play it once. Then you're going to go back into the second verse. If you're one of them girls, 'cause I'm one of them boys. Okay, so you're just going to go into that. Now the only other thing you need to know here is the bridge, right? And it's the same thing. It's still that E, B, C sharp minor, A. Now you can kind of play this how you want to. I think it's going to be better if you kind of build it up. You're one of them girls, wanna put my lips on. Okay, so that's how I would play it. I would still palm mute that part right there, but you don't have to. You could even do like, it's kind of fun when you're playing acoustic things to like mix it up a little bit. I've actually played songs for people before, and they say that they actually like it better than the original. Part of that's just because it's live, I think. But anyway, so you can do that and make things more fun and stuff, and change it up a little bit. So you're one of them girls, I wanna put my lips on, hold on that long. Write a little love song for one of them girls that ain't trying to meet nobody. See that? So you could do that, or you can even do, yeah, you're one of them girls, wanna put my lips on. So I'm just doing down, 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 down. So you can see you can kind of play that how you want to. So anyway, that's how you play the whole thing. Super easy. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's been a lot of fun. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.